Morning everyone, praying tayo and sa makinig sa salita ng Panginoon pag ikay, kaya tayong patawaran anytime ng Panginoon. Ito ang sinasabi niya, my child, I see your tears. I see your pain. I see you how hard you try to hold in all together. I want you to know that I am not angry with you. I am not disappointed in you. I'm proud of you for still choosing to believe in me when everything feels so heavy. You are not alone, not now, not ever. I'm holding you, choice that you can imagine. I love you more than you will ever understand. No? Alam mo, if we have something heavy inside our heart, or we have a big problem that we don't know how to do, we don't know we're gonna do. No? Kung ano man ang natin mabigat sa puso, talk to Him. Talk to God. Ako na mismo. I'm the one who can prove that. Because that time, 2025, I've been hurt a lot, no? No, I've been hurt a lot. I can prove that talaga, no? In 24, a lot of people wonder why, what happened to me? I get lost weight. No, nangayayat talaga ako, no? Too much nangayayat ako. In that time, during 2024 to 25, no? Kasi may pinagdadaanan ako. Nobody knows what happened. Because I hurt a lot that time. Parang may pinagdadaanan talaga ako, no? Nobody knew, even my family, kahit my family, or even one person. I only talk to every day, God. I tell to Him everything what inside my heart, and sinasabi ko ang lahat ng mga sakit sa puso ko. Siya lang ang sinasabihan ko. Siya lang araw-araw tinutok. Ang only sinasabihan ko sa Kanya, ang only wish ko na tanggalin niya yung empty inside my heart and depression, sakit na mga dinanas ko, yung mga ko, no? Yan lang ang sinasabi ko everyday. Natulungan niya ako. Ito lang yung alam mo, I can prove that everything. It's nawala. It's done. All my pain inside, it's done. All my heavy inside my heart, it's done. No, only Him nakatulong sa akin. I can prove that. No, if you are broken heart, if you are something heavy inside your heart na may something kang big problem, talk to Him. Tell to Him. He will listen to you. He will listen to you and He will help you. Talk to Him what is your problem na pakinggan Kanya. No? God is always be with you no matter what happened. Kahit na sinaktan mo siya, kahit naligaw ka sa landas, na nakalimutan mo siya, He will be there always to you to listen. Have a nice day everyone. No? Ako na mismo ang nakaprove niyan. Lahat nag-wonder ano nangyari sa akin. Lahat ng mga friend ko, anong nangyari sa akin? Bakit bumagsak ang katawan ko? Ba't nangayayat ako? Hindi ko sinasabi. Kasi ayoko magsabi. Kasi i-judge naman nila ako. No? Only God. Si Lord lang ang sinasabihan ko lahat yan. No? Si Lord lang. Have a nice day everyone.